Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I am doing my daughter's room now. I wanted to do a little bit of Christmas decoration. I started. She made her bed this morning. I just helped her to straighten it a little bit. And I put up 2 garlands. I don't know if I may be able to put up more. But that's what I've done already. I wasn't going to record it, but then I realized everything is content. So, yeah. Woo. Let's get into it.
pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring some out here. For we all like a figgy pudding. For we all like a figgy pudding. For we all like a figgy pudding. With all this good cheer. For we all like a figgy pudding. For we all like a figgy pudding. For we all like a figgy pudding. With all this good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some.
Thank you so much for joining another video. So as you can see here, I am marking some of the work that my daughter has done. She is doing homeschool, and while I'm going through correcting, she is writing the date on the top of the book. We use the Good and the Beautiful curriculum, and there's not really a space for her to write the date, but I wanted to be aware of each day as we go along. So aside from the calendar that we have on the wall daily, she has to write the date most of the days, not every day, because every day we go through the calendar on the wall. She changes the day, she changes the date, and when the time comes, she will change the year. So many of you know that here on Simply Camelon, I do a lot of DIY things. So right now I am doing a DIY closet curtain, and I'm using a fabric curtain that I have. I've had this for years actually, and I'm using the rings that I use for a shore curtain to put it up because it has the holes right there. So that should tell you what that is. But yeah, so this makeshift curtain turned out so good. It covered the clothes while keeping it upright with the plastic rings that I put around the pole right there. Further on in the video, you will also see where I am putting the decor around the door. I love the idea of that. Last year I had it on the outside door or the front door. This year I decided to do all the internal doors except for the bathroom. So I did the room door for Imani, and I did the room door for my room. I also did another part of the house. I'm still debating whether or not I will actually post about that, or I will change the idea that I had. But so far, this is the little decor that I did for her room, trying as best as possible to match the pink and blue theme that I have going on throughout the house.